Alright, this is Freddy Fuego, your favorite gang stalking hero, Gang Stalk 2020. I'm going to show you a video of how I harass my gang stalkers. Now,
that's how they did you. Yo, G, that ain't right.
That's the way I talk to them.
You told them to give you a raise and they said jump up there.
Now, I'm going to show you something in this video.
You like a fucking monkey, dog. Oh, what is that? There you go.
That's me being harassed.
You know you ain't doing shit. You been climbing fucking trees, jumping sewer holes, diving under cars. You earning that fucking money, huh? You earning that shit? Tell her, give you more, bro. Tell him I said give you a raise. So be. Huh? Tell him I said give you.
Alright, now right here, I want you to see something.
Huh?
There's a monkey in this fucking tree. Alright, here we go. What is that right there? Watch it move. This is me with another iPhone focusing. What's that right there? What's that right there? Look at, and what's that right there? Look at monkeys in the trees. While I'm focusing on it. Look, watch. They move. Let's go back to it. Alright, there it is again. I'm focusing my camera in this tree. I know that they use primates. So listen.
And they told you get in the tree. That's how they did you. Yo, G. That ain't right. You told them to give you a raise and they said jump up there.
I thought it was someone in the tree. But I know they've been using primates. Now what the fuck is that? What has long arms like that? Alright, there it is. Look at the face. My camera, the iPhone, focuses on them very tightly. Now I'm going to rewind. I'm going forward.
You told them to give you a raise and they said jump up there. I fucked up.
See, it was
doing
pitched.
You like a fucking monkey, dog.
That's
oh,
me.
What is that? There you go.
I'm just talking shit to them now. Watch this.
You know you ain't doing shit. You been climbing fucking trees, jumping sewer holes.
Look, there's something swinging in this fucking tree.
You know. You know you ain't doing shit. You been climbing fucking trees.
What's that? What's that? Look, you see that? What is that? That's an ape. Watch. I have a great video of it. It's on an iPhone and I can't get it on my
You earning that fucking money, huh?
Here we go. I'm gonna rewind. Those are leaves.
Cars. You earning that fucking money, huh? You
right there. Look at that face. What the fuck is that? See my phone.
Earning that shit?
No human could swing like that on a tree. There it is.
Money, huh?
There it is again.
That shit?
I backed it up.
Fucking money, huh?
There it is
you
swinging.
That shit?
There it was swinging.
Money,
Let's go back.
You earning that shit?
Swinging again.
You earning that fucking money, huh?
Swing. There it is. There it is. Holy shit. Now.
And that shit?
These motherfuckers are using primates to gang stalk us.
Tell her, give you more, bro. Tell him I said give you a raise.
Just me talking shit, harassing them right back. I told you I'm not easy to fucking stalk. I got a broken leg. But I'm not letting myself be bullied now. Here we go again.
You know you ain't doing shit. You've been climbing fucking trees, jumping sewer holes, diving under cars. You earning that fucking money, huh? You earning that.
Alright, look at this is something right there. What is that? Swinging on the tree like that? That's fucking Tarzan, man. If you look closely, those are legs right there. And there goes the body. Up and rewind. There it is.
Earning that fucking.
Alright. I got his here. And you listen.
Money, huh? You earning that shit?
You see that? Look at that. What is that right there? Look at that. You gonna tell me that's a human being? You see that? I know it's a grainy image. It is midnight, but look at the legs. What fucking man has legs like that? Look at this right here. That's the leg. And in pitch night, watch. It is swinging on the fucking trees.
Tell him I said give you a raise.
I was so impressed. I said tonight to give you a raise.
Tell him I said.
Right